Big Bird's Dictionary, letter E, part 2. 18. 18 is a number. 18 is 10 plus 8 more. Ernie has 10 red marbles and 8 blue marbles. He has 18 marbles altogether. Either or either. Either means one or the other. Oh, Oscar, you can have either the red roses or the stinkweed. Red roses, yuck. I'll take the stinkweed. Elbow. Your elbow is in the middle of your arm. Your arm bends at the elbow. Look up the word body. Betty Blue has a bandage on her elbow. Elephant. An elephant is a big gray animal with a long nose called a trunk. Which of these animals is an elephant? Letter B is the elephant.